freaking loud. The cloud voice, and it's raining hard, and I don't want to go in the rain, so I'm gonna stand by this gate over here. So I think a few minutes ago when I was remaking my video, there was literally a car crash, and there was this dog, a white dog, pom-pom breed. It was on the streets barking, and it ran. It ran. Oh God, this is hot rain. Oh. It's not hot, it's cold. I said it's hot rain. Hot? And hot. And I don't know if you guys can see or not, but it's raining really hard. I think you guys can hear it. I think. Don't come up to me. We need to go in. We need to go. I just stand right here. So when I was young, my weight never goes above 20. I was really thin. You were 20 years old? And my weight never went above 20. So one time we were outside and there was a lot of wind, very hot wind, and it was really hard wind. So I literally went back. Oh God, this is hot. Guys, I'll see you later.